What is up, YouTube? Just checking in real quick. Alright, what is up, YouTube? It's been a little bit, and it's probably going to be a whole lot longer after this one. I'll get into that more after we do this nice unboxing from one of my very first subscribers, Chris, from the channel Regular Foot. Sent me a nice little package. So I already opened it up, but we'll do another opening right here. And sent me some stickers. Sorry for the glare. A whole bunch of nice colorful stickers in there. I'll definitely be throwing these on some of my boards. Thank you. And sent me a nice t-shirt there. Definitely a nice quality tee. I'm liking it. I'm definitely going to be rocking this. Regardless that it's getting cold here, I'll be doing the short sleeve over the long sleeve style for you. Bringing back the old school vibes, you know? And then he sent me a little letter with it. So, let's go through that. Hey Tom, what's up? It's Regular Foot. Hope y'all are having an awesome holiday season. He sent this about a week or so ago. Here's a Regular Foot tee to add to the fun. Hope you like it. Limited run, red, white, and blue. Keep uploading your sick edits. See ya on the tube, Chris. So Chris, thank you so much, man. Like I said, you were like one of my first handful of subscribers, and you've stayed true to being an actual real subscriber. I get comments on almost every single video that I put up, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram. I see you popping up on there all the time. You're always super supportive. I can't thank you enough for that, because those are the type of subscribers I was looking for when I started this whole thing. Regardless, I wasn't trying to get, you know, anything too crazy out of this, but yeah. Alright, so that's where I'm gonna save the rest of that for the following video I put up. That it's just gonna be talking. So if you want to watch it, it has some very important things in there that you probably want to stick around if you're an actual subscriber and you want to know what's going on with me. But the rest of this is just going to be some skating. I'm going to a new to me park. Pretty close to me. It's about 15 miles away from me. I haven't been up here before. It's in the next state. It's in Chicopee, Massachusetts. It's called Sarah Jane Skate Park. It's at Sarah Jane Park. Yeah, I don't know, see from the photos, looks like there's a bunch of cool, you know, ledges and rails and some decent amount of ramps there and stuff like that, at least from the pictures. We'll see once I get there. But, yeah, the rest, this is all just going to be skating. So, yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so, change of plans. I went to like 3 different skate parks and just not feeling any of them that I went to so far. So I came back into Connecticut, and now I'm down in Wethersfield, Connecticut at Robert Allen Keeney Skate Park. It's in Wethersfield, Connecticut. So, it's all concrete. It's pretty tight, all like transition kind of stuff, but I don't know. Nobody's here, which is kind of what I was looking for. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to putt around and see what I can get. So let's try it out. Alright, so knee ain't feeling too great, but I'm going to putt around a little bit, see if I can get a couple of tricks. Yeah, it's like all transition here, so I'll turn it around so y'all can see. I'll give you a little tour. Alright, so this is the main entrance here. Come in right here where my stuff is. You got like a kind of like a get a little 2-block kind of thing. Super short run up, like all of 10 feet if that, and decent landing. It's not too bad of a landing pad over here. Then you got like a big old fucking gap Euro kind of thing right here with a couple of roll-ins. Whole lot of transition around here. It's basically all just, yeah, it's all transition. Yeah, I'm gonna probably be trying to do a couple of airs and a couple of tricks here, roll in and air out of this guy over here. So let's check that out. And yeah, there's a lot of really big cracks right at the base. So if you see right there, it's actually duct tape there and right there. So at the top and the bottom for your rolling, you got duct tape and all sorts of weird stuff going on. But a nice big old ledge right here with a wall of death on the other side. So also same with that over there. It's almost impossible to get up there on a skateboard, just because there's really not enough. You'd have to seriously pump around this place a lot to get enough speed to get up on it from the inside. And on the other side, you can get up on it, but then if you go over, you're in for a slam. So, decent corners everywhere. I've kind of been flowing around, feeling it out. I might mess around on this hip a little bit. Yeah, not bad. And then there's a literal death pool right here. So this is absolute oververt. If you can't tell, you can literally see it sticking out over the coping. And this is maybe 10 feet, 8-10 feet, something like that. And it is so tight inside of here. It's like, I don't know who the fuck made this, but it almost seems like this used to actually be a pool. And then they literally were just like, oh, well, we'll just use this to start the skate park. So yeah, it's literally straight vert everywhere on this, all the way around. Even this little short 4-foot is vert at the top. It's probably got close to a foot of vert, as you can see. So this tiny little guy, and you have half of it just drops into a pit. So I mean, it's cool, but not for my old ass. I ain't doing that. So decent coping everywhere and stuff. I'd like to try to start getting some of my coping tricks back from when I was younger, but probably not this season. I'll probably be holding off till next season to really try that kind of stuff. I do like that you can pump around the outside. There's this decent little guy right here I might try to gap over that I'm going over right now. And as I said, you can grind this ledge, but you got a little drop on the other side. So if you ain't confident, don't even bother trying. So, and then little no coping quarter pipe rolling thing here. Take it back around. Got a nice little pump style thing right here. Nice little bump-a-dee-doo. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Got a rail over here. A little curved rail. And drop. And yeah, that's about it for this place. Oh, yeah, and there's the rail going over the little pyramid kind of thing right there. But oh yeah, and there's this big ass Jersey barrier right here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Hold on. Yeah, this guy. They literally just plopped a Jersey barrier in the middle of this, and we're like, oh yeah, here you go. So I feel like this is more set up for, like, the inside is more set up kind of for a bike or a scooter. Obviously skaters, I mean, I can skate it, but this just isn't on my level, pretty much. Like, I'm not at that level yet. So yeah, we're gonna putt around a little, see if I can do a couple of tricks. I'm probably not going to be doing anything crazy. Some ollies, some 180s, just some basic shit today, because I don't feel like hurting my knee. So let's try it. is. But I know I could air out pretty high off of that, but I don't know. I don't trust my knee right now, so we'll see how high I can get it. I'll try a few more. And literally, I'm still in warm-up, so we'll see. Missed the pop. Swoop. Oh. Kind of scared to get too much speed coming in because I don't want to catch that crack at the bottom too hard and eat shit. Still not good enough. Not happy with it. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm just gonna go for it. I'm not feeling it today. Ah, that is fucking disgusting. Ah. That was better. That was better. Yeah, I haven't hit any stuff like this in a while, so bear with me. We'll see if I can improve on that a little bit. Oh, fuck. Definitely just heard a crack. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up snapping my tail today. She's weak. Whatever. So I'm really just not. I'm not about trying to get cool stuff on video anymore. I'm kind of done with it. I'm always focusing on trying to do something cool so I can put it out there for a whole 10 people to fucking watch. And it just ain't worth it to me anymore. It's really not. It's taken away from my enjoyment and my pleasure of doing this, and I get passionate out of doing it. I don't get passionate out of getting frustrated to land a trick just so that nobody can fucking watch it. So this is just me being honest about it. It's me being real about it. If you don't like it, don't watch my shit. I don't really fucking care anymore. That's why I'm putting this on the back burner for a while. I'm going to enjoy my snowboarding season. I'll probably put some stuff out when I feel like it. And that's just it. Like, I'm done trying. That's just it. I'm done trying for nothing. So I'm going to do my own thing. If I get recognized, great. If not, whatever. I'm still going to do it anyways. So I'm just going to get back to the actual point of doing all of it. And I lost sight of that for a while, and it pissed me off. So I'm just going to do a couple more things here. I'm going to putt around. Might try to ollie over this little, whatever the fuck it is, bank-to-bank thing, jigger, whatever. Probably not going to make it. I don't really care. Probably going to fall into the fucking bowl. But be good entertainment for that last video for you guys, so here you go. Nowhere near enough speed. This is not a very good video. So, for the people that do care, sorry. For the people that don't, well, tough shit. I'm just not feeling it anymore. Not feeling this whole video and myself shit. I don't know. I don't even know what else to do at this point. I'm kind of just done. I don't know. Maybe I'll try a couple more airs out of that thing over there. That's about it, probably. I'll probably do it for the day. And be on the lookout for the next video. Because the next one is going to have pretty much the reasons why I'm doing what I'm doing. So be on the lookout for that. Here's a couple more tries. Fuck. I'm all done for today, and probably for good. So as a closeout to the video, like I said, this was a horrible day out. It is what it is. I don't really care. So yeah, be on the lookout for my next video. It's just gonna be talking. It's probably gonna be shortly after I put this video out. Yeah, thank you for everybody that actually did support me, to like the 10 people that, you know, actually followed me for the right reasons and not just because. Yeah, see you later.